Hello children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 7, Subject Hindi, Lesson 9, Topic मेहनत से जी नहीं चुराओ. Don't steal your heart from hard work. This is the topic of the lesson, children. Here, it's not a lesson, it's a poem, sorry, children. So, it's the topic of the poem. Here, what the poet want to say is, if you are not gaining anything also for the time's sake, you should not steal your heart from hard work. Like somebody says, I'm doing hard work from so many days, but I'm not getting any good result. So let me stop this work. No. You should not stop doing the hard work. You have to continue it. And one day or else, not today, at least tomorrow, you will get the result of hard work. Okay, children, and be sure that whatever result you will get from hard work will be very, very beneficial for you. It will be very useful for you. Okay, and it will be very tasty fruit. And if you'll wait for some long time, it will be very, very tasty fruit. So, because you are not getting good result today of your hard work, you should not stop it. You have to continue it, and surely one day you are going to get the good result for you. Okay? So we'll move on to the poem, children. मेहनत से जो काम करेगा वह अच्छा इंसान बनेगा. The person who will do hard work will succeed in his life and will become a good person. That is sure, children. We all know who do hard work, they will only succeed in their life. Like, it's now from beginning of the year, academic year, who all are studying well and who all are doing their work properly, at last they will get a very, very good result. Right? So, who work hard, who do their work with a great effort, surely they will succeed in their life. And if they succeed in their life, we are sure that they are a good person. The person who succeed in their life with hard work, they are only good persons. Right, children? Yes. Next line. आलस में जो पड़ा नहीं है एक दिन महान बनेगा. One who does not being lazy will become great one day. If you are not lazy, it means you are finishing all your works on time. And if you do all your work with hard work on time, you will be great one day. Sure, there are so many great personalities. We know about them. The best example is Sir Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, right? He used to travel nearly 5 kilometers by walk to reach his school. This is the best example, right, children? Nowadays, we are getting the bus in front of a house. We are just getting up the bus from there and going inside our school. But it was not that time like that. Sir APJ Abdul Kalam, he used to walk for 5 kilometers to reach his school. Daily 5 kilometers walking. Right? So, just imagine how much he has done, how much great effort he has put on for his studies. That's why he is great today. It's not just because of walking he has become great. It's the hard work and effort what he has put to reach the school and study. Right? Okay, so if you are not being lazy and if you do the hard work, you will become great. मेहनत सदा रंग लाती है, सारे कार्य पूर्ण करती है. Hard work always bring good colorful results by completing all the tasks. Yes, of course, if you are completing all the tasks with hard work, it will give you good result only. If you have done everything all the tasks given by the teachers or at home by parents, if you are finishing all the tasks at time with hard work, then it will give you a good colorful result. आज नहीं तो कल दे देती है, मेहनत मीठा फल देती है. You remember I told at the beginning of the poem itself, it's not that today you are doing hard work and today itself you will get the good result. You can wait, but if you wait, your result will be very sweet fruit which you are going to get. So if not today, it will give you tomorrow, but hard work will always give you sweet fruit. Okay, it's not that today itself you are going to get the result for that and it will be very sweet and you can enjoy it today itself. No, hard work never gives you the result that day itself. But because of your hard work, you are sure to get that sweet fruit. मेहनत दूर निराशा करती, नव प्रकाश नव आशा भरती. Hard work reduces your disappointments and gives you new light and new hope in your life. Yes, of course, children, when you are doing hard work, your disappointments will get reduced. Why, you know? Yes, I'll tell you. Because if you are waiting for something to complete the work or to complete the task, if you have completed it, there will be no disappointment. When a teacher is asking for, they have given you some extra work, okay, like make some model for science or something. If you have completed that, you will not get disappointed when teacher calls you. And when teacher praises you, it gives you new light and new hope for your life. Right? When somebody praises you for the work you have done, that praise when you will get? When you have finished your work with hard work properly. So, with hard work, when you have finished your work, it gives you more hope in your life to do the work more better. So, it will surely reduce the disappointment. मन उपवन में फूल खिलाती, दूर दूर सुगंध फैलाती. Make flowers to blossom in the garden of your mind and spreads aroma all around you. It's that when you have finished your work, when you have completed all your tasks, you will be very happy. So it is the flowers that blossom in the garden of your mind. Your mind, you won't have any rust. You won't have any other bad things inside your mind because everything what is there is good. Because you have completed your task, you are thinking everything positively. Nothing negative comes into your mind. And spreads aroma all around you means it gives a fragrance all around you. When you are happy, you are making others also happy. You are trying at least to make others happy. But if you are not happy, if you have disappointments inside you, if you haven't completed your task, it just spreads negativity. So, a very good thing is when you are a hard worker, when you have completed everything on time, then you will be happy. And when you will be happy, you will spread that happiness all around you. Okay? मेहनत से जो लड़के पढ़ते, वही हमेशा आगे बढ़ते. The boys who study diligently will only always move forward. When you are putting all your efforts for studies and very intelligently, very diligently when you are doing all that studies, surely you will move more and more forward. Means you will go to the next step of your education. You can get what type of education you need. Like what the marks you score gives you the best group what you want to select. Right? So, if you have done hard work, you will get good results and you can choose which group you need, not according to your marks. Right? So, hard works, when a child do hard works, surely he succeeds in his life. प्रगति सदा जीवन में करते और सफल हो ऊंचे उठते. Always makes progress in their life and rise with succeed in their life. So, When you do hard work, you will get more and more progress. That is sure. You will get an increment or you will get a promotion, and of course that promotion will make you to succeed in your life, and this all is possible only with doing hard work. मेहनत कभी व्यर्थ न जाती, मेहनत से जी नहीं चुराओ. Hard work never goes wasted, so don't steal your heart from hard work. When you do hard work, children, it will always help you. It never go waste. I told you first itself, don't steal your heart from hard work. Once you steal your heart from hard work, you will not succeed. Okay, you are not going to succeed then. So if you do hard work only, you are going to succeed, and it will never go waste. As I told you, it won't give you result today itself, but when it gives you the result, it will be very very sweet in your life. इसलिए पौरुष दिखलाकर जग में अपना नाम कमाओ. So show your courageous talent and earn a good name in this world. If you are courageous, if you are hard worker, if you are talented, then you can surely get a good name in this world, because you are doing everything with great efforts, extra efforts. So surely you are going to get a good name in this world. So with this, your poem is finished, children. Now we are moving to our Shabdarth. Here I have given you the Shabdarth. Please go through it for meanings in English for the Shabdarth and question answers. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.